Oh no. Oh my goodness.
Very heavy.
So it's certainly a graphics card. This definitely feels old.
No, I feel like at one point gonna be in the box.
Today, we're gonna see just how well our META PCs builders know their hardware. We're gonna be bringing in builders from our Phoenix location.
My name's Red Magella. I've been working here going on 5 months.
My name is David. I've been here for about 2 years now.
My name's Tim. I've worked here for probably about 6 months.
I'm Justin. I've been here for a little over 3 years now.
I would say my scale of PC knowledge is maybe 7 out of 10.
Pretty good. I want to say at least a 7 out of 10 for sure.
Probably about a 7 out of 10.
I think I have about a 2 level of knowledge on PC hardware.
How are you still working?
How am I still employed?
We're gonna have them reach inside the META mystery box and try to tell us what's inside by feel alone. We're testing them on 6 items each, and they're gonna get points depending on how many features that they can guess. So let's get into it.
I mean, I feel like I know what this is. This is a 5090 ROG Astral.
You're close on some of that.
ROG Astral. It's a 5080 ROG Astral.
Oh my. I'm trying to see if I can feel what like the plug-in connectors, if it's a 12 volt, if it's an 8-pin, if it's 2 8-pin, 3 on some of them now.
Big graphics card, very heavy. Does feel like something that we've used here on a few occasions.
I am sad to say that this one was spoiled by Jared, who walked into the room and picked it up and said, "Oh, is this the thing?" And then he says the thing that you were supposed to guess.
Well, I didn't know. Okay.
So yeah, it's fine. You ruined it.
fine.
But anyway, why don't
Let's
you
see.
stick your hands
Maybe
inside
I don't
the
know.
box.
You know, maybe
You
we'll find
absolutely
out.
know what it is, but let's
see.
go ahead and do it.
Flashback.
Is this the Doom GPU, dude?
Do not touch it.
Jared.
All right, Jared, give the good up.
Sounds like I got a slam dunk on this
Well,
one.
now you're gonna have to be on camera. We get to roast you in this.
End of flashback.
Is this the Asus Astral?
It is an Astral card.
5090, 5080.
5070? 5090? Lower, so 5080.
Could it potentially be a special edition? This now it's getting crazy.
Oh my god.
What color does it feel like it is?
Sure, I want a hint. I want to phone a friend.
You would be doomed to not get.
This is the Doom Edition, ROG Astral 5080.
Justin, you might be doomed if you don't figure out what this card is.
Oh, is it a Doom Special Edition Astral?
Yeah.
He got that without any graphics.
Oh, it's the Doom one.
That is the Doom 5080 Astral card.
Oh, I just kept missing the 12 volt.
Yeah.
Is that a Doom GPU I'm feeling?
Wow, how'd you figure that out? This is the first time we've done this series and it's already been just totally destroyed by Jared. What are we doing?
Okay, 3 fan graphics cards.
It's a metal, all metal cooler design.
What brands do you think use all metal coolers?
I'm leaning towards Asus TUF OC. Is this an ROG? A Republic of Gamers Edition Asus card?
ROG.
Asus, yeah. That is a ROG Strix.
This does feel like a ROG Strix card.
All right, this one will be harder because you don't know what it is beforehand.
That's heavy. That's a Strix card, right?
Whoa.
It's the curve on it, the weight.
Wow.
Yeah.
Never sell yourself short, David. That was incredible.
That's not 2 out of 10 knowledge.
That was crazy.
Is it a Strix card?
Yeah.
Let's go.
That's a snipe across the
Let's
back.
go.
Wow, that was nuts.
It's a 4090.
Nailed it. 49.
You could tell by the size of the cooler.
I feel like the one time I'm not gonna go Radeon, it's gonna be a Radeon, but I'm gonna say, is this a 40 series?
40 series card?
It's the only one that has these like smooth edges on it. It's the 40 series one, like a 4090 or something.
It
right?
is. It is.
Yeah.
It is. Dude, nailed it. Very, very nice.
4090?
Yeah. Oh, dude, what are we even doing here? All right, I'm done. That's crazy.
What happened here, guys?
Dude, that was insane. Okay. David.
Let's go.
David.
Now, do I win the Strix or?
Well, that one doesn't have a card in it, so.
Oh, I get the cooler? I'll take the cooler. I'll put it up on my wall.
This component was actually brought from home by one of our producers.
You guys, is it open in the front? Can you see what I'm doing? Oh no.
Inside too.
Oh my
We're
goodness.
seeing your hands touching it.
I'm not a hands model, guys. I'm sorry.
The cuticles, beautiful.
So it's certainly a graphics card.
Nailed it.
It's feeling pretty, sharp angles. I'm feeling a lot of sharp angles, which makes me lean away from like Zotac cards, because those usually have smoother curves.
Feeling 3 fans.
Okay.
It's 2 slot.
Smaller, something probably older, perhaps.
It's definitely a nice card. I can feel the metal backplate.
Year 2018.
I'm flying blind here. I haven't touched anything older than a 40 series in my life, so I'm gonna say 30 series.
A little older.
20 series?
Nailed it.
Wow, okay.
What card do you think based on the fans and all that good stuff?
Yeah, I mean, it would be a 2000 series, RTX like 2070 Super.
Nailed it. 2070
Okay.
Super.
3 fans, 2070 Ti.
Close, 2070 Super.
Some mid-range, 2060, 2070-ish, probably.
A hair above a 2070.
2070 Super?
2070 Super.
Okay.
What brand though?
I want to say it's maybe like an MSI card.
Gigs is short for what?
Right, so it's a gigabyte, and is it an Eagle?
This is a 2080 Ti.
Lower.
Oh, okay, 2070?
Just a hair.
2070 Ti?
It's 2070 Super.
2070 Super.
2070
Okay.
Is it a gigabyte card?
It is a gigabyte.
Force?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pull it out, show him, yeah.
Is it a gigabyte card?
Dude, nailed it.
Yes, WindForce. As soon as I saw it, I knew what it was, but that's hard with your fingers to try
Do you know what it
to try to figure that out.
20 series ago. Yeah, there it is. Gigabyte, 2070 Super.
Came out in September of 2018, and that is when ray tracing and tensor cores were introduced, which enabled all that beautiful hardware acceleration in real time that we know and sometimes love today.
I don't know, I feel like at one point Garfield's gonna be in the box.
This is probably one of the most overlooked pieces of PC hardware that gamers really, they don't even understand when they don't have it, how much it's affecting their performance on their setup, just an overall setup.
Ooh, soft. A plushie of some description.
It's a stuffed animal of sorts, certainly.
This was my favorite comic book growing up. I mean, this is my favorite guy. Like, I love lasagna. Sometimes I get a little crabby if I'm hungry. Mondays suck. Garfield's the best.
Let's go, nailed it, dude.
If you can't figure it out, you do get fired.
Okay, great.
This one
So,
is fairly important.
this one is incredibly important to know.
Cats do have
Cats
whiskers,
have
David.
whiskers. Yes, they do.
My first thought is a peripheral. Is this Garfield?
Yes. It's Garfield.
I made the joke right before he came in the box.
I know, the timing was impeccable. It was not made because you said that.
Big eyes. Okay. Whiskers, perhaps. Oh, is this that Garfield plushie that you guys keep in here?
Yes!
Like the one that's always sitting over there?
That's the one.
Is it?
Nailed it. Garfield, he adds FPS and style to your setup. There it is. Beautiful.
I know this because I know my guy Zach is a big Garfield fan.
It's Garfield. Congratulations.
All right. We got there, guys.
He'll be coming back in tomorrow.
That is cursed. What is this?
He is adorable.
And that does add performance to your computer. That is true. Am I going in blind again? Okay.
Put your hands in there, see what we got. What do you think that is?
Okay. Well, it's a hat. I can tell you that much.
Very nice. That's right, David. It's time for an ad. Go to shop.metapcs.com to get your Hey Man merch, including our hats, t-shirts, and MetaPCs mouse mats. That's right. It's at shop.metapcs.com. You nailed it, David.
Would this happen to be some of our new merch, perhaps?
Justin, would it be the merch that's available at shop.metapcs.com by chance?
It might be.
We love an ad break. Great segue.
So, it is a water-cooled edition.
My guess is water-cooled graphics card?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel complete.
It doesn't feel complete, does
No.
it? Because it's missing the GPU.
Ah.
Missing its entire GPU. All I felt was just fans. I don't even feel a fan stack. I already know what this is. This is a 3090 Ti that came out of Phil's house.
It's a 3090.
90 FTW for the Win 3 that came out of Phil's computer.
Is it a 30 series?
Tim, you beautiful beast. It is a 30 series card, and with it being water cooled, what would you guess that card is?
3090?
Tim, It is a 3090.
Okay.
It's Phil's old 3090 that he tore apart.
It died going out what it needed to do, playing
It died
games for
doing what it
Phil.
loved.
Yep.
Generating clankers wearing crop tops.
This feels like an old school card because there's no backplate. All I feel is PCB.
Is it a Radeon?
No,
No.
but it very well could be, but it is not.
This definitely feels old. This
you
feels
nailed
like
it.
10 series card.
David, what if I told you this came out in 2010, November to be specific?
2010.
It is blower style because
Yeah.
we have one little fan up here. It's old because it's got, what is this, VGA or something,
First
outputs
person
on
to
it?
feel the
First person to
ports.
feel, yep.
First person to feel the ports on the card. That's smart.
I'm guessing pretty old. Yeah,
2010.
2010. Like a 560, like
You were like so close, just a hair above that.
570. Okay.
This is like a GTX 980.
Older,
Older. 790.
older,
600s.
older.
Time flies when you're having fun, guys. Wow, 500 series. This is like a 580, 590,
570.
570.
GTX 570 EVGA card.
The 580? RX 580?
You are really close.
Is it it's the 570 then,
Yeah,
right?
nailed
Yes.
it.
Okay.
Bonus points. Think about the time, 2010.
Yeah.
Go to graphics card companies.
Absolutely.
Who do you think the manufacturer is? Go to graphics card companies.
I got nothing. I'm drawing a blank.
There's an E, Tim. There's a V, Tim. There's a G, Tim. There's a freaking A, Tim. It's EVGA, Tim.
EVGA.
It's an EVGA card?
You got it. EVGA card.
EVGA?
Nailed it. That's the GeForce GTX 570. That card in that generation.
Oh, yeah.
Very well known for making DirectX 11 a smoother
Yes.
experience with that series of cards.
I've never held one of these in my life. This is cool.
I'll give you a hint. Goated.
Goated? EVGA?
Nailed it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's tough.
You guys still got the peels on this one.
Does it really?
It does, look.
That's got to be worth something, right?
Oh, yeah.
How old were you in 2010?
2010, I would have been 13.
Well, I'm old. Thanks, Tim. You crushed it, bud. Nice job, man. Well done.
Good job, man.
Nice job, man. Crushed it.
Thank you.
Don't sell yourself short, David. You crushed it, man.
Yeah.
Very cool. Thanks, Justin.
Yeah, of course.
Appreciate it, man.
All right, Zach, this is going to be our last item of the day. This is a mystery item that none of our guests have come to figure out.
Okay.
This is a special one just for you.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Harry? Dude, what am I touching right now?
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like it, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment. We really appreciate everything that you do when you watch our videos.
Say bye, Zach.
Bye, Zach.
Hilarious.